Alright, no great successes today. Didn't start it. Starter motor's having some issues, but I think I've worked out what's going on. But I could not get to the starter motor underneath. Nowhere near enough room to do much, because she's buried all the way up there. Can't quite see. Anyway, looked like pulling the floor out was the way you get into it. So floor pan, and where was this one? That was the back wall, obviously the seat and the frame. I had to cut most of the bolts out. More panels there. Throw that back up here. So now we've just got a big gaping hole, which is reasonably handy, but a bit of a pain in the ass to get into. You can get a half decent view of the completely blank right hand side of the engine. Nothing exciting there at all. So that whole top cover had to come off, that side piece there. And now we can get to the starter motor, not too bad. I had to take the shifter linkage off, which was about to fall off anyway, so that wasn't too bad. So I'll stick this down here and see. On the solenoid, a contact on the bottom, which I'm not going to be able to show you, and you'll get this light in the right spot. You can see the top contact is just completely blown apart. So obviously I had a bit of a meltdown at some stage, and it's just got a huge gap there where it shouldn't be. So pretty much it'll see if the battery's hooked up. It'll engage, but won't spin the motor. I believe that's what the second part does. I think the first one is just to throw the mesh the gear, and I think it does a reduced voltage so it doesn't slam into the gear and chew a heap of teeth off. And then the second one's meant to contact just right after that point and engage the motor fully. But this starter motor button's hooked up. All it really does is jump forward, no drive, and nothing happens. But if I won't be able to do it because there's no way I'm going to hold the camera. If I get a screwdriver and then tilt the contact here so it's on an angle, then the top one will actually contact and the motor spins over pretty good. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to fix that. I might be able to just pull the solenoid off without taking the starter motor off and try and fix that chewed out piece in there. Otherwise, maybe braze something on there. I'm not real sure, but I'll work something out and then do something with the fuel system, which I don't imagine will take too much effort, and then maybe it'll fire up then. But it's starting to get dark, rain clouds are coming over, so that'll be it till I get a chance to come back out. Right up.